Hey YouTube world, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage with another installation video. And as you can see in front of me, I have a full suite of products, and behind me I have a 2019 model Yamaha Tracer 900. All the products on this table are all the crash protection products we have provided by Womet-Tech to cover the 2018 to 2020 model Yamaha Tracer 900. So if you have a Tracer 9 GT, which would be 2020 and up, 2021 and up, be sure to check that out. It's a little different. Some of the products may be different. But in short, let's cover over everything. That way, if you're watching a video for, say, spool sliders, you understand that, yes, we do have frame sliders as well. So starting on the right-hand side, we do have spool sliders. We also have spools. These are a much smaller piece made out of aluminum. Going back to the right, we have our single point frame sliders. Coming over to the left, however, we have our dual point Evos frame sliders. These are a 2-point system with a much larger Delrin slider. Coming back to the right one last time, we have our engine slider. This is a Delrin cap meant to replace the OEM cap on the left side case. And lastly, on the left-hand side, we have our front fork sliders. These are 2 Delrin pucks with an aluminum rod that installs in minutes on the front wheel. In today's video, we will be installing the Womet-Tech engine slider.
Hey guys, it's Ben from TST. Today we're going to go over how to install your Womet-Tech engine slider. It's going to be a very simple process. All it's going to be requiring is a torque wrench, a regular ratcheting wrench, and you're going to need a 14 and a 12 mil Allen head. So to get that started, we will just be using the 14 to remove this stock cover. You're going to want to be careful so that this doesn't strip out. But once it gets going, it's really simple. So we'll be pulling that out. There is an O-ring seated in here. You want to bring that out with you. And once that's out, we'll get into the Womet-Tech part. So this does come with its own O-ring, but it does need to be lubed. So you can use a little bit of residual oil in here and just run it around there. And now what we'll do is we'll just hand tighten this down. You want to be careful. You don't want to cross thread anything. If you notice any resistance, just back it up and restart. But once it gets going, it should be smooth sailing just like that. And once that's all done, we're going to torque it to 10 foot-pounds or 120 inch-pounds. All right. And we're going to cap it off, funny enough, with our Womet-Tech cap. And some of these do come loose over time. If you notice it start to vibrate as you're riding, just give it a little dab of silicone. You should be all set. Otherwise, we will just make it nice and level. Pop it in there. Nice and good. Perfect. Now you're going to be all set and ready to ride.
All right, and a huge thank you to Ben for helping us through this installation process. We are trying to bring on some new and fresh faces onto our YouTube channel. So if you like to see Ben, you recognize the voice from calling in, be sure to leave your comments and feedback below. But as you can see, this installation is now complete. You are ready to ride. Added in ample crash protection to help cover the left side of your case in the event of a crash. It will help minimize the damage taken on. If you like this product, you want to check it out, or any other product we may have for the Tracer 900 or any other bike sitting in your garage, be sure to stop by our website, tstindustries.com. The link to this product is in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment field below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we are putting out. And lastly, don't forget to stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all username TST Industries. This has been Mark and Ben from TST Industries. Catch you guys next time.